Mush it. Mush it, mush it, mush it. Good job. These are gonna be pretty cookies.
Hey, look at cookie.
We're gonna make Christmas cookies?
Yeah.
Alright. Make them a little bit flatter. Cracking. Alright, you ready? Here you go. You can make one of those. You can make some snowmen.
Yeah, snowman.
You want a snowman?
Yeah.
That's the snowman. Push it hard. Oh, good job. Now pick it up. Ooh, there's a snowman. You want to do a house?
Yeah. Go.
Alright. Push it down. Good job. Alright. Woohoo! In the house. A snowman in the house. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see if we can... Let Mommy get a spatula.
You making cookies, Levi?
Yeah, I am snowman's house.
A snowman in a house?
Yeah.
Here we go. Here's our first snowman.
Oh, the house.
Alright, we'll get the house next. Here you go, let's see. We'll pick this up first. Ready?
Uh-oh.
It's okay, look. Yay!
Snowman's house.
Alright.
Right.
Do some more? Mush it back together. See?
Are you eating the
eat
cookie dough?
It tastes good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mush it together again. Wait. Wait, mush. I gotta make it flat again. Okay. Another snowman?
Yeah.
Alright.
Snowman's house.
Okay.
Snowman's house.
Ooh. Good job. Go ahead, do the house. Alright. Okay, take them off. 1, 2. There's the snowman. Levi, you make great snowman.
Snowman's house.
Snowman in the house. Is that the snowman's house?
Yeah.
Is that where he lives?
Oh, snowman.
Okay, you want to do some more?
Yeah.
Alright. Mush it together again. Mush it, mush it. Oh, don't do it on the floor, baby.
Oh, snowman's house.
Okay, just a minute. Mommy's got to mush it.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead. Oh, good job. Go ahead, do the house. Oh. There you go. Yay!
Uh-oh.
That's okay. That's okay. He'll go back down. Just a minute. Let Mommy help.
Oh, snowman.
There's another snowman.
Oh, snowman.
Alright.
Uh-oh. Snowman's house. Snowman's house.
Okay.
Snowman.
I think we can do maybe 1 or 2 more.
I got cookies.
Yeah. After this,
Uh-oh.
we'll cook them and then we'll decorate them, okay?
Oh, snowman's house.
Yeah. I don't know if you'll be able to get both of them on there, but we can try. That right there. I'll put it close. There you go. Alright. Ready? Take them off. Yay!
Snowman's house.
Alright.
Snowman's house.
Yep. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's get this part off. This is the part we don't need. Okay, ready? Scoop it. Oh, good job. All right. Okay, I think we're done for right now. We'll do some more in just a minute. Yay!